Hi friends, I'm Bea.
I'm Jim.
And today we have something super exciting. Okay, we have Series 1 Disney Tsum Tsum Plushy Squish Dee Lish blind boxes. Look how cute. There are 8 to collect. And we've got the Peas in a Pod, Chip and Dale, Ariel, Mike, Baymax, Eve, and Pluto. So they're kind of all over the place.
Yeah, a little bit.
They're squishy. So we have what we think is a full case. There's 11. So we are going to open them until we get them all or we run out of bags.
Here we go.
So let's see what these look like. I'm going to push these.
A lot of characters on the bag that are not in the line.
Yeah, I would love to see Stitch and a Dalmatian. Yeah. The Cheshire
Eve.
Cat. Oh, there is an Eve though.
An Eve.
Yeah. Okay, so let's see what these are like. They have a little tab so we can just get right in. Okay, let's see. Whoop.
Whoa, they're huge.
They're
huge.
Those are way bigger than I thought. Squish. Sorry, Chip.
He's back to normal.
There he is. Oh,
Wow.
Look how fun. They look just like Tsum Tsums.
They really do.
But enormous.
They're way bigger than I thought.
I keep squishing his face. I'm sorry, dude.
Cool. He's made to be squished. It's
That's
okay.
True. Squish Dee Lish.
Okay, let's see who I get.
We don't have any Squish Dee Lish stuff, Jim.
Oh.
Maybe we should check it out now.
Whoa.
What?
It's Mike.
Mike Wazowski.
I gotta squish him.
Gotta squish him good.
Squish.
Ooh. Look at his eyeball.
Squish.
Ooh.
Yeah, those are real fun to squish.
Yeah, I like squishing that. Okay. Let's see what else. Oh, and a duplicate immediately.
Well, I'll take that one. I like Chip.
Whoop, I'm excited.
Okay. Let's see. We got number 3. Well, it's green, but it's not Mike. It's the Peas in a Pod.
Oh, cute. Oh,
Squish!
Whoa. They're so cute. I like squishy stuff. Pluto! Oh, look how cute. More like Cuto. Am I right?
Maybe.
No. Don't approve. And a squish. Squish.
Boy, they really are kind of smelly.
They're a
little pungent.
They're, oof. Okay, I got it too close to my face there.
Yeah. We don't advise sniffing them.
No.
Yeah.
Is it Baymax or Eve?
Baymax?
Baymax.
Little.
I was going to say blah, 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 blah.
Cool.
Blah, 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 blah. Okay, what else do we still need? We still need Dale and Ariel.
Whoa, she's got a flipper.
Oh, she's my favorite, you guys. I love the Little Mermaid. I'm so sorry, Ariel. I have to squish you. She's so good. They really do look just like the Tsum Tsums that they're based off of.
Yeah, they did a great job with them. And they're so floofy. Oh, looks like a dupe Baymax.
Oh my goodness.
What?
Well, are we going to get them all? We need Eve and Dale.
Not looking good, guys.
Oh, we got a Dale.
Dale.
Ooh, we just need Eve now. Look at his little tail. Jim loves Chip and Dale.
I like those chipmunks.
They're so cute.
All right.
It's
Getting down here. Oh, good.
Yay!
There's Eve.
Oh, so cute.
And she has her little plant symbol on her chest.
So cute. She's got a
Ooh.
boot in there.
There's one
Squish
boot.
it.
Squish.
So fun. And now we have one left that we can save for another video later. Ooh, yay!
This one, we got them all.
Yeah, let's line them up. All right, here's what we got. Look how fun. We got the whole collection of Series 1 Tsum Tsum Squish Dee Lish collaboration.
Woof.
I have to tell you, Ariel's my favorite.
Yeah.
Probably with Chip and Dale and this, and I love them all. But Ariel's my favorite. What about you?
Well, Chip and Dale, obviously.
Yeah.
They're my favorites.
So good.
Yeah.
Yay! Well, let us know if you found these. We only found these once at a Target, I think, and we haven't seen them since.
Yeah.
So
I think it's worth noting too that these guys are really easy to stack too.
they are so easy to stack.
Yeah, they just go right on there.
They're perfect. Look at that. With
So
all
easy.
loops. I love it. These are so fun. It's such a fun idea to have big old squishy Tsum Tsums. Yay! Well, let us know your favorite
Squish.
in the comments below. And we will see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye!